look at this one.
Due to heavy rainfall, Townsville City Council has issued an emergency warning to leave low-lying and flood-prone areas from Mutarnee to Cungulla. More than a metre of rain is forecast to fall in parts of north and far north Queensland across the weekend, and emergency services are preparing to respond to major flooding. The Queensland Fire Department says a person has been found after going missing in floodwaters in Townsville. Authorities received a report that the person was missing at 4:50 p.m. near Kings Road, Hyde Park. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas in Australia have experienced flooding since last Friday.
Oh, look at this one. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, there. True enough.
G'day from Magnetic Island. If you're wondering how much rain we've had up here today, understand that these buckets are under a roof.
We go from one extreme to the other around here. This is my fucking yard. All the way up on the side of my house.
So this is the Mutarnee River at the Bong Bong Bridge in Mossvale, and all of the flood.
The Bureau of Meteorology has issued a severe weather warning from Bowen to north of Tully, as tropical low pressure off Innisfail brings more rain and showers to the coast. Not only that, as a result of yesterday's flooding on Friday afternoon, 2 people were rescued from a car in the town of Brandon, near Ayr. Daily rainfall totals of between 200 mm and 300 mm are expected in the region between Mackay and Cairns from Friday to Monday, with isolated rainfall of up to 500 mm possible.
We go from one extreme to the other around here. This is my fucking yard. All the way up on the side of my house.
Oh, look at this one. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, there. True enough.
I certainly won't be getting out of the house today, out of the farm. So this is from last night's.
So this is the Mutarnee River at the Bong Bong Bridge in Mossvale, and all of the flood.
G'day from Magnetic Island. If you're wondering how much rain we've had up here today, understand that these buckets are under a roof.